Our lakes and wetlands are home to some fascinating waterbirds. And two of them are often seen swimming side by side. These birds are from the same family called Rallidae. We will see how to identify them and tell them apart. First one. This bird is almost entirely black, with a bright white bill and a distinctive white shield covering the front of its face. Look closely and you'll also notice its pale grey legs and those unusual lobed toes, which help it move through water and aquatic vegetation. Any guesses? This is the Eurasian coot. The next one is also mostly dark, but look closely at the face. Instead of a white bill, it has a bright red bill with a red frontal shield ending in a yellow tip. And look for the conspicuous white stripe along its flank. Any guesses? This is the common moorhen. Next time you see a dark waterbird, take a closer look at the bill. If it's white with a white frontal shield, you're looking at a Eurasian coot. If the bill is red and yellow with a white flank stripe, it's a common moorhen.